Opel has revealed a sporty, elegant new Grandland with intuitive controls and innovative technology. With a fully digital Pure panel, this new model offers the driver a completely different cockpit experience. This Opel flagship SUV is also equipped with additional technology and assistance systems that customers have only found in high-end vehicles. Especially the adaptive IntelliLux LED pixel light with a total of 168 LED elements. The technology of Opel's flagship limousine, the Insignia, debuts in the German brand's top SUV and sets new standards in the Opel Grandland market sector. The same goes for Night Vision, which is celebrating its premiere at Opel. The system detects pedestrians and animals in the dark at a distance of up to 100 meters and alerts the driver. Semi-adaptive highway integration assist keeps the Grandland in the middle of its lane and keeps it at a distance from the vehicle in front. Designed and manufactured in Germany, the new Grandland also features the Opel Vizor, the new face of the brand. Opel is also maintaining its electrification strategy with the new Grandland. Customers of the powerful and high-efficiency plug-in hybrid variant can choose between all-wheel drive or electric. Also new in combination with the automatic transmission is highway integration assist. Using camera and radar sensors, the system incorporates various assistants to make driving more relaxed. Adaptive cruise control keeps the distance to the vehicle in front at a set speed and, in combination with active lane positioning, keeps the Opel Grandland in the middle of the lane. The Opel speed increases or decreases to keep up with the vehicle in front without exceeding the set speed and can brake to a stop if necessary. Thanks to Stop and Go, Grandland with highway integration assist automatically resumes driving from a standstill. The new Opel Grandland also has many other help systems. The 360-degree panoramic camera makes maneuvering the driver easier through the front and rear cameras. The area in front and behind the car as well as a bird's-eye view are displayed on the infotainment screen. The automatic parking assistant identifies longitudinal and transverse parking spaces and directs Grandland in and out automatically. The blind spot warning system prevents potential collisions when turning or changing lanes. In case of danger, the vehicle symbol lights up in each of the outside mirrors. Standard equipment from each Grandland variant includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, traffic sign recognition, sleepiness detection and cruise control. The new Opel Grandland meets the highest standards not only with assistance systems but also in terms of comfort. Ergonomic active seat for driver and front passenger certified by Action Gesunder Rücken EV campaign for a healthy back supports good posture behind the wheel. The award-winning seat is unique in the Grandland class and offers a wide range of adjustments, from electric seat tilt to electro-pneumatic lumbar support. The leather trim offers heating and even ventilation. Comfort is further enhanced by keyless open and start and a sensor-controlled tailgate that opens and closes with a foot movement under the rear bumper. Connectivity and entertainment are provided by an infotainment system that is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Combined with the services of Opel Connect, the best multimedia Navi Pro makes traveling extremely relaxing with real-time traffic information, online map updates and predictive navigation. Wireless charging on the center console provides a neat and tidy wireless charging for compatible smartphones. Class-leading technologies and high comfort are complemented by the new Opel Grandland's strong performance and pure, bold design. Continuing Opel electrification strategy, the plug-in hybrid versions deliver not only sports car-like acceleration but also emissions-free driving, thanks to their electric motors or motor and regenerative braking. Thanks to the flexibility of the multi-energy platform, Grandland customers can choose their preferred propulsion system from efficient diesel and petrol engines to electrified plug-in hybrids. The design displays typically clear lines. The Opel Vizor stretches across the front, while the compass philosophy is also reflected at the rear. The Grandland name and the Blitz brand logo stand in the middle of the tailgate. Further accents are set by the bumpers and side panels, now painted in body color, as well as the underbody skid plates in high-gloss black and silver.